Welcome to our project, Learning Management System Applying Blockchain. The application will include three main systems. First, admin system. Second, MS system. And finally is the SM system. Admin system. To access admin function, the admin have to log into the system. After login successfully, the dashboard will show as the default page of admin system. On the left sidebar, there are two major parts for admin to manage: system and academic. For the system, the admin can manage the system through many features. For example, term, department, major, etc. For the academic, the admin can manage the academic through many features as well, include course, class, question, student, and lecture. To create class, the admin have to create the course in term. After the course in term created, we can create class, choose class, then click Add New. Select the right term. The major and course that's corresponding to the term will appear for the admin to select. In the view, admin can close, open, edit, delete, or restore an existing class. When the admin click on a class, the detailed information of that class will appear with four tabs: member, discussion, directory, and score. The most innovative function here is the score management. Scores will be uploaded by lecturer, and after reviewing with the lecturer, the admin will upload the scores to blockchain through a smart contract. Click the Upload to Blockchain button. Once the scores are successfully uploaded, the system will return a transaction hash. The admin can use this transaction hash to track the transaction on-chain. Moreover, the admin can manage questions. The question here will be asked by student, and the lecturer will answer it. Also, admin can manage student and lecturer account. The student can be imported manually or batch import through the template by admin. The admin can reset password through Reset Password button. The new password will be automatically generated and sent through the email. LMS system. In the LMS system, user have to select role before logging. The first role is lecture. After logging successfully, the dashboard will show as the default page. In the dashboard, lecturer will see on classes that they are mentor. Lecturer can see class detail, class member, and class discussion. In the class detail tab, lecturer can add document, assignment, lab, and so on. They are directory of class detail. Lecturer can manually add directory or custom them for more. In the Member tab, lecturer can manage students in their class. In the Discussion tab, lecturer can manage discussion and view the answer of student by discussion. Moreover, the lecturer can import scores for students in a class using the system template. To get the template, click Download Score Template. After filling in the score in the template, lecturer uploads score the template by clicking Report Score to admin. The lecturers will need to re-enter their password and then choose the template file to upload student scores. Lecturer can view and respond to anonymous questions asked by students. The second row is Student. After logging successfully, the dashboard will show us the default page of Student. In the view, student can see and access on course that's corresponding by term. In each course, there are multiple classes. Depending on the class, student can request enrollment. Once their request is accepted, they will be added to the class. After being added to the class, students can access the class details. In the Detail tab, students can view content based on the directory, which is uploaded and managed by the lecturer. Students can also submit assignments, download content, and more. In the Member tab, students can view the list of members in the class. And in the Discussion tab, they can participate in discussions. Students can send anonymous questions by topic and view the answer from lecture. With the GPT feature, students can interact with artificial intelligence, which can assist them in various aspects of their learning. Students can schedule their activities through the calendar feature, where they can manage events label them, and view them directly on the calendar. By clicking on their avatar, students can also edit their detailed profile. Exam system. By clicking on the Go to Exam button, the lecturer can access the exam system. To log in, the lecturer needs to click on the Lecture button. After logging in successfully, the home page will display at the default page of the exam system. On the home page, topics by course will be displayed. After adding a topic, it's time to create questions. To access the question section, click on Question in the navbar. Here, the teacher can manage questions. Questions can be created manually or batch imported through a template. These questions will be added to a specific topic. By clicking Test in the navigation bar, the lecturer can add a new test by entering the test name and selecting the course. Lecturer can add questions manually or choose random questions. In the random question option, the lecturer can select the number of questions, the difficulty level, and the topic based on the course chosen when creating the test. To assign the test, the lecturer clicks the Assign button, then clicks Assign to Group. The lecturer can set the test parameters by choosing many settings in here. To finish creating a test, the lecturer clicks Save. For student, clicking on the Go to Exam button, the student can access the exam system. After choosing I'm Student button and logging in successfully, the student can choose and start the test. Here, student can view results, check other test details, and so on. Finally, for the admin, by clicking on the Go to Exam button, the admin also clicks on the Lecture button, just like the lecture. After logging in successfully, the admin can manage lecture, student accounts, the question bank, topics, and the test results.